Three new question types have been added into the format of Duolingo English test, and I've already covered them in this video. Not only these three question types, but also other new updates that have been made into the Duolingo English test. You can go and watch this video, and you will just get know, and you just get information about all the updates, all the new updates that have been made into the Duolingo English test in 2024. So in this video, I'm just gonna give you the tips and strategies for the three new question types they have been added into DET. First, let's briefly talk about the new question types. So the first one is the read and select, which is the select real English word, and it has been changed from the previous version. The second one is regarding the interactive writing. So interactive writing is a new question type which has been added into the format of DET, and before it was read about the topic, but now it's been added into interactive writing, and we're going to talk about that uh, later in the video. And the third one is complete the sentence with the correct word, and this is like the read and select questions, so this is the new update for that one. Okay, now coming into my computer screen, so the first one is that read and select. And as you guys can see that before there used to be a whole list of a table of all the words, and you were given the option to select the real English words among those words. But now it's been changed, and now you were given one word, and you were given only 5 seconds to decide whether it's the real English word or not. For example, identity, and you just have yes and no. You must click yes, either yes or no within 5 seconds, and then another word will pop up. So this is the first. Uh, so this is the first question type. I mean the new question type which has been added into the format of the test. Okay, so one tip that I'm gonna give you in this question type is that first of all you need to enhance your vocabulary skill. You need to just uh, broaden your range of vocabulary or range of the English words. So for that, if you don't know how to just improve your vocabulary skill, watch this video of mine. It will definitely come in handy. And the second thing is that you might face a word that you haven't faced already. So for that, the simple tip is that just listen to your heart. Yeah, if it sounds like an English word, select yes. If it doesn't, and if you are not really completely confident about the word, then don't select yes, just go for the no. Alright, so this is the only simple tip that I can give you in this question type, and other than that I can give you another one. Second new question type which has been added is the uh, fill in the blanks, which is complete the sentence with correct word. So before it used to be a whole what do we say, like a paragraph or a topic about or a whole paragraph about a specific topic, and you were given like blanks, and you were required to fill those blanks in. But now you were given only one or two sentences, but in between you were given only one uh, what do we say, only one blank, and you just need to complete one word as it's written right here. Just look at here, complete the sentence with the correct word. So you're required to complete one word which is incomplete. uh, Again, it's a new update, and the time limit has been reduced, and I guess it's just more stressful than before. Other than that, it's just the same with that one. And for that, if you really want to enhance uh, if you really want to ace this question type on Duolingo English test, so I'm gonna just give you two tips right here. The number one is just read more books, find your interest, and just start reading. If you're reading books, newsletters, newspapers, posts, just go for it. Reading is the key. And number two is read specific books which are called select readings, and I've already mentioned them in my previous videos. But again, for this specific part, you have to go for the select readings. They're the collection of three books, and the best part in those books is that you're given a whole what do we say, a whole essay, and then you're also asked the same question types in those essay, and you need to fill them, and they're provided with answer key, which will definitely enhance your this fill in the blanks, what do we say, skill. So yeah, go for them. And the third update which has been made into Duolingo English test is interactive writing. So look right here. Before you were asked to just write about a topic, but now you're given two essays. You have to write two essays, and this is called interactive writing. So first, write about the topic below for 5 minutes. You're given a topic, and you need to write your answer or your response for 5 minutes, and then write a follow-up response for 3 minutes. So then, after writing an essay for this specific part, then you were asked another question, and you were asked to write about that question. Like, looks, so this question is also regarding this topic, and you were asked to write a follow-up response for 3 minutes. So this is called interactive writing. So this is all about your writing skill, and there is a saying that the more you read, or okay, so what do we say? The more you read, the more your writing skill will be developed. So for this, I think there is a book by the name of, let me show you that book. I've been using it myself, and it's a very wonderful book for writing enhancement. This is called Academic Writing, from Paragraph to Essay. So academic writing is the book you have to go for, and the second tip I can give you is that just practice a lot in your own, as this part of Duolingo English test. So those were the tips and tricks for the new question types which were added into format of Duolingo English test. If you follow my advices carefully, then I'm sure you're gonna ace the new question types in Duolingo English test. And one thing that I have to mention is that um, the new question types will be added into the main tests of Duolingo from April onward. So from April 2024, these new question types will be added. And if you're giving your test before April 2024, then your test will be with the same old format of DT. So you just